How to change country in Google Play Store. For this, go ahead and open your Play Store application first and foremost. So right here, you have to tap on the profile icon at the top of your screen. From here, head to Payments and Subscription. Then select the option of Payment Methods. Now, wait for it to load. Then head to More Payment Settings. Now you will be redirected to GPay, so make sure to wait for a while. If you already have a payment method, you will have an edit option. If not, tap on Add a Payment Method. In this section, you will go ahead and enter your card number and everything that is needed about this description of your card. However, the most important part here is the billing address. So right here, it is set in my default country. So you have to tap on it and select the country that you want to change in your Google Play Store. So for the sake of this video, I'll be choosing the option of United States. So once it is refreshed, you again have to go ahead and tap on the section of this billing address and you will see that it is based on United States. However, you have to fill this form, add your address, state, postcode and tap on the save icon once you are done. And simply like that, you'll be able to change the country in your Google Play Store. So go ahead and give this a try and thank you so much for watching.